ever wonder what happens when a high-profile defense suddenly falls apart? The case of Nick Reiner, son of Rob Reiner, has taken a dramatic turn uh, just days before his arraignment. His prominent attorney withdrew documents area. What does this mean for the future of his defense? Earlier this month, Alan Jackson, a well-known criminal defense lawyer, formally stepped away from representing Nick Reiner. Reiner faces charges related to the tragic deaths of his parents, and the timing couldn't be more critical. Jackson told the court his team had no choice but to withdraw. He cited circumstances beyond our control, making continued representation impossible. The arraignment was postponed until February 23rd, adding to the mystery that hope. During an interview, Jackson addressed speculation about a possible payment issue. He carefully avoided a direct answer, stating never said anything about a retainer problem. Jackson emphasized he was legally and ethically prohibited from revealing the full reasons. And he repeatedly warned against, speculation, remaining tight-lipped about the specifics. However, he didn't deny that finances played a role. Ambiguity fueled reports that family funding for the defense might have dried up. The biggest indicator came with the court's decision to appoint a public defender. And then this usually happens when a defendant can no longer afford private counsel. Reports surfaced claiming Reiner's siblings cut off financial support. This left him unable to pay for Jackson's services. These claims remain unconfirmed by official sources. So what is known for sure, Jackson withdrew, citing confidential reasons. Reiner now has a public defender. Jackson won't rule out financial factors. The cause of the withdrawal remains unclear. Was it a funding cutoff, a family decision, or other undisclosed reasons? Jackson maintains his team was committed to Reiner's defense. This shift marks a significant change. High-profile cases rely on consistent counsel, resources, and strategy. A CP is a change in legal teams mid-case can be disruptive. As the case moves forward, Reiner faces the justice system under new circumstances. The unanswered questions about his defense resources remain. They say lawyers are expensive, but sometimes not having one is even more costly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm Media.